Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok voice effect not showing. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And then usually if we want to add a voice effect on TikTok, we just need to go to the voice effect menu. Wait, I'm going to try to create new post on TikTok using for example this video. Okay, then we can click on next and we can add the voice effect here on the voice menu, and these are the voice effects we can apply to our video or our audio. Okay, before and after video editing using InShot video editor. Okay, but if this voice effect is not showing on your TikTok, I have two methods you can try to fix this problem guys. The first method, you can remove the TikTok data or the TikTok cache. You can go to your profile first and then you can select these three lines on the top right to access settings and privacy. Okay, and you're going to scroll down until you find the free up space, and you can clear the cache and also clear the download data. Okay, now it's done, and then you can go back to the TikTok voice effect menu and check it. However guys, if this method is still not working on your TikTok, you can try the second method. The second method is reporting this problem to TikTok. We can go back to the TikTok setting and privacy. We can click on these three lines and select the settings and privacy. Keep scrolling down until you find the report a problem. Okay, then you can choose creation category. Then you can choose beauty filters effect or templates. Okay, and these are the topic based on the problem. You can open it one by one, but if you haven't found the answer here, you can just click this one, need more help. All right, and then you can send a message to TikTok. You can briefly explain the problem. You can type in TikTok voice effect not showing like this, and then you can send it to TikTok, or you can actually upload a photo to TikTok. Just click on this photo. You can upload the screenshot of your problem. Okay, and the TikTok will help you to solve the problem. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix TikTok voice effect not showing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.